As a kid, I spent a lot of time building with Lego, drawing, and doing crafts. In fact, most people assumed I would grow up to be an architect. And they weren't totally wrong. I ended up not becoming an architect, but a designer. I never felt like settling on a specific area though. I've always enjoyed working on projects that allow me to include a variety of mediums and abilities, focusing on the audience's experience. At some point, I stumbled upon a video presentation of an interactive installation, and things clicked inside my head. It was one of those moments where you think to yourself, this is what I want to do. But that was the problem. In order to convince people to give me a chance in creating immersive installations for them, I needed some projects to show that I can do it. Hell, I had never even built a physical project before. The problem was that installations can get expensive to build. Like, very expensive. And I had a very, very limited budget at that time. Sometime later, I found out about the maker movement, and it changed my life. What started out as a search for how to build your own computer keyboard got me hooked on making all sorts of projects. I started out with simple 3D printing and electronics projects and experiments, and then the projects started to get bigger, and bigger, and bigger. It's actually funny. The more projects I build, the less money is a limitation. In fact, I actually challenge myself to build spending as little and reusing as many materials as I can find. And it was precisely this approach that unlocked my true creative potential. I was finally able to start building big, immersive, and interactive installations and set the foundation to pursue my passion. Not only that, I was able to convert my biggest limitation, the lack of money at that time, into my greatest joy. By reusing as many materials as possible, I'm not only challenging myself creatively, but I'm also contributing to reduce the amount of trash in the world and even influencing people to do the same. How amazing is that? To me, being a maker is a philosophy about the way you see and solve problems. It doesn't matter your age, your knowledge, your studies, or your budget. With the right approach, any problem can be solved. And boy, is it even better when you involve the community. I want to help you get this amazing maker mentality and skills by sharing my experiences and knowledge that I've acquired along my journey as a maker. So join me as we explore the maker world together. Thanks for watching.